I don't want people to feel bad for me. And it wasn't always easy. Sometimes I faltered, I had bad days, and I have a disease called progeria. So just to give you an idea, I weigh about only 50 pounds. So logistically, I really couldn't carry a regular sized snare drum. And because of this, the band director assigned me to play pit percussion during the halftime show. Now, pit percussion was fun, but it involved no marching, and I was just so devastated. However, nothing was going to stop me from playing snare drum with the marching band in the halftime show. So my family and I worked with an engineer to design a snare drum harness that would be lighter and easier for me to carry. And so after continuous work, we made a snare drum apparatus that weighs only about 6 pounds. Being brave isn't supposed to be easy. And for me, I feel it's the key way to keep moving forward. So with this philosophy, I hope that all of you, regardless of your obstacles, can have a very happy life as well. I feel that no matter what I choose to become, I believe that I can change the world. And as I'm striving to change the world, I will be happy.